What's the meaning of appendicitis? Appendicitis. Appendicitis.
Appendicitis. Appendicitis. Appendicitis is a medical condition in which the appendix, a small pouch-like organ connected to the large intestine, becomes inflamed and infected. The most common symptoms of appendicitis include abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and fever. If left untreated, the appendix can burst, leading to a life-threatening infection in the abdominal cavity. Appendicitis is typically diagnosed through a physical examination and imaging tests such as an ultrasound or CT scan. Treatment usually involves surgical removal of the appendix, known as an appendectomy. Recovery time varies depending on the severity of the condition and the individual's overall health.